right, so we just got to Joe's.
Get the forging. Show you guys the setup. Knock doing some flips.
Throwing shit. Well, let's turn around here.
Whoa, whoa.
Let's not have that. What happened? And we're back. All right. So I guess we'll continue here with the vise. Okay. Here's our neat little dandy vise on our messy table. Okay. And if you turn, let's just go past that thing because that's not working anymore. Technical difficulties. We got our one set of tongs. We got our 2 anvils right here. Our 4-pound hammer right here. I don't know where the hell our 2.5. There we go. We got one of those. If you come over here, we got a pile of wood. Oh, I should go. Boy. We got our handle wood for all of our knives.
That's some wenge wood.
Wenge. Here's our scrap pile. Come in here, we pick our steel. Got a bucket of pickaxes. We got some leaf springs there. Pile of bunch of steel. Got some axles. And down in this bucket, we got some things to refurbish. I'll pull some things out. We got some hatchets. We got some axes. We got some fencing swords in here, but those are not for refurbish. More axes, more sledgehammers, all for refurbish.
Hold on, I got a question.
Okay, what's your question?
Who's this gentleman here?
Oh, that's my great-great-grandfather. That's my great-great-grandfather. He loved Guinness.
Griswold Morrow. Never forget Griswold.
Oh, here, if you want to get a shot of my great-great-grandma and her cousin Beatrice.
Beatrice?
No.
Bernice.
Bernice. I should probably set this axe down, shouldn't I? No, the whole thing's done with the axe in hand. Look at that, skills. Got a bunch of antlers for our handles. Luke's stealing my axe. Handle antlers. We come over here, we got our decommissioned belt sander that's broken that I'm about to fix. We got our old vise and we got a nice little 8-inch drill press.
What's with this random pink watering can here, Joe?
No comment.
No comment, alright. And where do you get majority of these knickknacks?
Oh, Facebook Marketplace. Everything's Facebook Marketplace.
Right.
Or
and what is this over here, Joe?
Oh, this is our bandsaw. Oh, in the corner right over there, we have a bench. We have a bench grinder that I need to.
How much is this?
$40.
How much is that?
$25.
How much is that?
$40. Let's see. Oh, we got that miter saw down there that came with the stand that our forge is on for $40.
How much is this?
$40.
You said
$40.
this is
$40.
okay.
40.
40.
Hey, another one. We got a wood lathe over here
Oh yeah.
for $40.
How much?
$40. Everything. $40.
$40.
On what?
$40 on Facebook Marketplace.
$40. We got $40 for $40.
I think what we're trying to say is you can get a lot of good stuff on Facebook Marketplace. It's a really good place to get steel, metal,
Machines, early, just
Dogs.
things that are usable that you'll upgrade later.
yeah. So you don't need all these funds up front to buy these things. We've slowly been putting things together. So yeah, this is our
Setup and
This is an early on setup. About to upgrade. Upgrade everything.
For $40.
keep going.
Keep going.